How to recover deleted contacts and call history on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted contacts and call history on your Android phone. If your contacts were synced with your Google account, recovery is quick and easy. Open any web browser and go to contacts.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account you use on your phone. Next, click the Settings icon and select Undo Changes. Choose a restore point, such as 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, or any available time within the last 30 days. Then confirm the restore. Your deleted contacts will sync back to your Android device. If you're trying to recover deleted call history, keep in mind that Android doesn't provide an official option to restore deleted call logs unless they were included in a device backup. If you have a recent Google backup, restoring your device from that backup may also restore your call history. That's it. You've successfully learned how to recover deleted contacts and call history on Android. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.